Today is Friday. Happy Friday if it's a Friday for you when you're watching this. But today I'm going to take you through a little self-care kind of evening. I just feel like I need it. So yeah, usually my self-care days are on Sundays, but sometimes Fridays when I feel like I can't wait till Sunday. So I am going to take you through my evening today. We have not had lunch, so we are ravenous. So a good self-care day always starts with some good food. So we are going to go pick up some sushi and I will catch up with you after we eat. Okay, so food was delicious. We always order the same thing, and we've been ordering the same thing for years now from this sushi place down the street, and it's just so good. Now it is time for a quick little manicure. I had these sticker nails, and my sister had given them to me, and I was so surprised because they lasted for maybe like 3 weeks. So I am in desperate need of a manicure. So let's go do our nails. Nails are now complete, and I do want to show you some of my favorite products right now. So let me go quickly grab them and let me show you all of my current favorite self-care products. Okay, so the first is this native deodorant. It is the lavender and rose scent. I love this. Okay, that just fell. Let me go get it. I love the scent of this and it lasts the entire day. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites right now. Also, I've been using this e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. It looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna use my e.l.f. cleansing balm to take off all of my makeup. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite cleanser. It's the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. And I have been using this for a while now. And this is all that I use after I use my cleansing balm. And that's basically it. Also, my favorite body wash right now is from Billy. It smells so good. It smells like grapefruit, and I am very hesitant to use any kind of scented body wash because I do have eczema, and usually when I use anything that's scented, my skin will just get upset with me and I will have an eczema flare-up. But I have used this for a while now and I'm basically done with it, so I need a new bottle. But it says it is vegan, non-GMO, and gluten-free. It has no parabens or sulfates, no synthetic fragrances, and it says it is a moisturizing body wash, and it leaves your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and refreshed. This has been such a great body wash for me. I have loved the scent of it. It smells so good and refreshing, and it hasn't upset my skin. So this has been one of my favorite body washes as of late. All right, after that, I am going to go in with the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask. Okay, so this is a wash off mask, so I'm going to use this right after I shower. Okay, so this has volcanic clusters and spheres, and it helps to cool on contact, absorb excess oil with visibly smaller pores, all while helping to improve the overall look and texture of the skin. So this has been my favorite. Okay, so it has been a while since I last tanned. I think it was maybe a month ago, maybe longer than that. It's been a while. And the last time that I tanned, I used the Isle of Paradise in the shade Dark. So it looks like this. I really loved the tan that it gave me, so I'm going to use this today and I will show you the mitt that I use. I think it's the Bondi Sands mitt. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But I will show you the mitt once I get to that step. So yeah, those are my current favorites right now. Right now I'm going to start with the e.l.f. Cleansing balm to take off all my makeup, and then I will go in with the Kiehl's cleanser, and then I'll come back to put my mask and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I just hopped out of the shower and I just finished tanning with the Isle of Paradise, and yes, I was correct. It is the Bondi Sands tanning mitt. So I just used these two. So now I'm going to do my face mask and also whiten my teeth. am back. I couldn't really talk with the crust strips in my mouth and then with the mask on, but I am back. I took off the strips and I washed my face. Now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Super Brighten Peel Pads. Looks like this. And I have been using this at least once, maybe twice a week. And I have really been liking these peel pads. They look just like this. Let's see. Hopefully I don't drop them. There we go. They're just in there and they look like this. And I just quickly just go over my entire face. Ooh, this kind of tingles a little bit. So I just go over my face with that and I just let that dry off really quick. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. It is fragrance-free and it has hyaluronic acid and peptide complex. So I have been liking this, especially at night, and I just get a generous amount and just put it all over my face. And I just go over my entire face. This feels so good. I have been loving this e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm. There we go. Looks just like this, and it looks just like that. This is in Grapefruit Goals. So I just put this on the top. This does have a little bit of a tint. So my lips are gonna look extra rosy. It really rehydrates my lips, and I have been using this nonstop every single night. Okay guys, so the final step is the CeraVe Healing Ointment, and I just take a little bit of this. It looks just like this. Let me see. Just like this. It is nice and thick, and I just put it on my hands, and this is a pretty thick ointment, so what I'll do is I'll just put it here on the back of my hand like that, and then I will take my other hand and just rub it here on the top. And right before bed, I'll just take a little bit and put it in the palms of my hands, but since I'm not gonna go to bed quite yet, I just like to put it at the very top like this. And that is it. I am just going to conclude the video here. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.